Question 3a. So we have two questions here on question 3. We have the geometric question, geometric progression question, and this algebraic question. Okay. By the way, geometric progression is under sequence and what? Sequence and series. All right. So let's solve this algebraic question. So you see, there's a division sign here. Okay. So this is simple. Shouldn't confuse you. So let me copy this question. So we have 88 r to the power 3, s to the power 2, t to the power 2 over 8 p to the power 3 q to the power 3 divided by 22 r to the power 3, s to the power 2, and t to the power 3. Okay. Then here we have 48 p to the power 3 q to the power 3. Okay, I hope I've copied the question the way it is. Okay, all right. Okay, so now we are going to maintain this side. Okay, so what you do, guys, this is just 2 marks. You can either introduce a multiplication sign here and change the numerator and the denominator, or just cross multiply. With the division, just cross multiply. It's easy as that. Now, this is what I always tell my students, that you group them so that you don't get confused. You have 88 times 48. So we've grouped numbers, this times r. So we have r to the power 3. Okay, do we have r here? No, we don't have, so it's fine. So we have s times s to the power 2. We don't have s down here, so times t squared times p to the power 3 times what? Times q to the power 3 over what? This is over this. We cross multiply, so we have 8 here, 8 multiplied by 22. Okay, times, let's group the letters here over the variables according to what we've done on top. Here we have r, so let's start with r to the power 3 times s to the power 2 times t to the power 3 times p to the power 3, okay, times q to the power 3. Okay, now it is easy to solve here. Okay, so now this is what you can do. This is very simple. We know that 22 can go in 22 one time. 22 into 88 4 times. Okay, 4 times. Then 8 into 8 1, 8 into 48 6 times. Okay, 8 into 48 6 times. So you can use a calculator. Okay, so in terms of numbers here, we have 1 in down here, then on top we have, this is what we're having, 4 times 6. So you can write 4 times 6, this is 20. I'm having 24 because I no longer have a number which is greater than 1 here. So let's go to the variables. This and this will cancel. We have r3 s2 will cancel. What else? You have t2, down you have t3. So down here we're going to remain with 1 t. Let me write that one in advance so that I don't get confused. Okay, p3 q3. Oh, this is the answer. Okay, 24 over t. Okay, 24 over t. That's our answer. Let's go to the next question. Geometric progression. This is geometric progression question, and it's saying for the progression 189, 63, 20, okay, 21 rather, find the common ratio. Simple. Common ratio Find the fifth term. Find the sum to infinity. This is very, very simple. All right. So let's solve. So to find the common ratio here, we're going to use the formula R is equals to T2 over T1. Okay. So this one is T1, this is T2, and this is T3, the last one here. Okay. So let's substitute. If you want, you can say T3 over T2, you still find the same answer. So R is equals to T what? T2 is 63 over 189. Okay. So what you can do, you can just go on your calculator, punch 63 over 189. It's going to reduce the figures, and it's 1 over 3, because 63 can go into 63 one time. 63 into 189 is what? Into 189 is 3 times. So this is the answer. It's 1 over 3. If you want, you can use 21 over 63. Is still going to get 1 over 3. Okay. Then that's the first question. The second question here is saying find the fifth term. So the formula for the nth term is Tn is equals to AR to the power n minus 1. All right. All right. So what is n here? N is 5. What is R? Common ratio we found what? 1 over 3. 1 over 3. Then what else is missing here? That's all. Let's solve. So T5 is equals to first term, or rather first term is 189 rather. So we have 189 multiplied by 1 over 3 in brackets, the power. What is n? N is 5 minus 1. Okay. Let me just write it nicely from this side. So we have T5 is equals to 189 open bracket 1 over 3 close bracket. 5 minus 1 is just 4. This is what we are having. So now hapa kosa vilima. Okay, don't rush multiplying what 189 times or divided by 3 then to the power. This 1 over 3 is raised to a what? To a power. So we don't do anything to that one. We don't multiply rather, but we distribute. This 4 is the same as this 4. It means distribute 1 to the power 4 over 3 to the power 4. So we have 189 multiplied by what? 1 over to the power 4 over 3 to the power what? To the power 4. Okay, as simple as that. So we have 189 multiplied by what? 1 to the power 4 is just 1. What is 3 to the power 4? 3 to the power 4? Great. 80 what? 81. Okay? 81. Now, so here, how many times does 81 go into 189? How many times does 81 go into 189? Okay, so leaving it as a mixed fraction, it is, if you calculate, if you say 189 over 81 on your calculator, you're going to find 2 whole number 1 over 3 as what? As your answer. Okay, so this is T5. This is T5. All right. Then the last question is saying find the sum to infinity. Find the sum to infinity. This is simple. Okay, so let me solve this one just here. This is 3. Sum to infinity, the formula is, so this is a sum to infinity, S, then this is a symbol to for infinity, which is equals to A over 1 minus r. Okay, so s to sum to infinity, s this 8 yanayangana pansi kangana huko. So what's the first term? The first term here is 189. So I'm going to say 189 over 1 minus, common ratio is 1 over 3, so we're going to say 1 over 3, okay? So here we're going to have 189 over, what is 1 minus 1 over what? 1 minus 1 over 3, okay? This is 2 over 3. You see, this is a fraction here. So what you do here, you multiply the denominator and the numerator by what? The denominator of this fraction, which is 3. So this 3 and this 3 cancel. So we are having 189 multiplied by 3 over 2. As simple as that. So you can say 189 multiplied by 3 is 567 over 2. 567 divided by 2, the answer is 283.5. 283.5. This is the answer. Guys, if we're still together up to this point, consider subscribing, like the video. Let's go to the next question.